Hi guys, I'll just show you around the tarp configuration. It's using there's my son Ethan, 4x4 tarp to show you around. Got some pegs, I've made some wooden pegs. And as you can see, it's quite big. You can easily handle 3 or 4 people in there easily.
Dad, it's my turn.
Hold on to it. Right, inside. Do you want to get inside, Ethan?
Yeah.
There's plenty of room for the bed. Now go right to the back, put your head on the pillow and coat. That's it, plenty of room in there for at least 3 people.
Dad, I thought you said I can throw the camera in here.
Yeah, you will in a minute. Up there, as you can see, is a tennis ball.
And it's mine, which Dad cut it up.
Yeah, I did,
with
yeah.
a knife.
Which protects the tarp from ripping.
Yeah.
And it goes straight into the ground.
Shall I do it now?
Go on then, quick. I don't know where you get all your energy from. Just making a nice cup of tea. This stove here I reviewed in one of my videos.
Dad?
You alright?
Yeah, no, I went like this.
Oh, that's lucky. You knocked them 2 teeth out.
Oh, Dad, you should have got that on the video.
You should have.